Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to The Rising Men. Today, we're diving into one of the most dramatic comebacks of our time, Johnny Depp's story. The highs, the lows, the courtroom battles. It's got all the elements of a Hollywood epic. But beyond the headlines, there's a powerful lesson here for every man about persistence, dignity, in the fight for your reputation. So grab a seat, because this isn't just about Johnny Depp. It's about what his journey can teach us about standing tall when the odds are against you. Johnny Depp's story was once the stuff of dreams. He was one of the most bankable stars in Hollywood, beloved for his roles in Pirates of the Caribbean, Edward Scissorhands, and countless others. But then came the controversy, the allegations, the lawsuits, and the media frenzy. For years, Depp was painted as a villain, his reputation dragged through the mud. It wasn't just a loss of roles or endorsements, it was a loss of identity in the public eye. But here's the thing. Depp didn't just fade away, he fought back. The trial against Amber Heard became a spectacle, yes, but it was also a turning point. Depp didn't only defend himself, he reclaimed his narrative. In a world that's quick to judge and even quicker to cancel, Depp's story is a reminder that persistence matters. He didn't let the court of public opinion define him. He chose to fight, not out of vengeance, but out of principle. Think about it. How many of us back down when life gets tough? When our reputation is questioned, when our dignity is at stake? Depp's journey shows that there's power in standing firm, even when the world tells you to give up. One of the most striking things about Depp during the trial was his demeanor. While the accusations flew and the scrutiny was intense, he remained composed. Sure, there were moments of frustration, he's human after all, but for the most part, he let the facts speak for themselves. That's a lesson for all of us. Dignity isn't about being perfect. It's about staying true to your values, even when the situation feels impossible. Depp's recent resurgence, winning awards, getting back into film, and earning public support, isn't just about talent. It's about trust. People saw a man who refused to be defined by a single chapter of his life. And here's where it gets personal. What's your story? Maybe you're dealing with unfair judgment, a tough breakup, or even a career setback. Johnny Depp's journey is proof that you can rewrite your narrative. Here's the core message. True strength isn't about winning every battle. It's about showing up, standing tall, and refusing to let the world dictate your worth. Johnny Depp's comeback reminds us that persistence isn't just about fighting, it's about doing so with dignity. It's about proving, first to yourself and then to others, that you're more than the challenges you face. So what's your takeaway from Johnny Depp's story? Are you inspired by his persistence, his grace, or his resilience? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear how his journey resonates with you. And before you go, remember this. Life will throw challenges your way. But like Depp showed us, it's not about avoiding the storm. It's about learning how to stand strong in it. Thanks for watching The Rising Men. If this inspired you, hit that like button, share this with someone who needs to hear it, and join the conversation. Until next time, stay grounded, stay resilient, and keep fighting for your story.